VVIP Caban we did. And I did very, very proud and happy to have one of the superstar in Africa, not just for Nigeria, right here with me inside studio right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria, Africa, all over the world, the JC, anywhere we did, I begin to clap. Please make an enjoyment to welcome KCEE.
Correct. Yes, my people, how on a day? This now your good boyfriend KCEE, the Limpopo King, the Tinana General. I'm in the building, and as we there today, we want you anything.
Everybody knows your worker staff from Nigeria.
Okay.
Oh man, whether now some of us know, whether some people.
Most of the people know if you don't sleep.
Okay, so how would life be for AJ growing up? Because why are they asking the question? Because many people get negative thoughts. Once they hear AJ City, then they get many negative thoughts.
The life at Jegule, 9 push me also, make me reach here one day. So at Jegule, we don't produce many things for Jegule, many superstars, from football to music to presenter on radio to TV. To name even billionaires have gone, many don't come out from Ajegule. So the fear we people they fear Ajegule, I think say they don't need to the fear. When they hear, I mean they think of somewhere great, somewhere where people they look down on, we they say big things they come out from. Now Ajegule be that.
We need to learn to get positive thoughts towards ourselves and things will be our own, not be to run ourselves down inside the matter. Okay, because nobody go feel by running anybody down. You know go feel go
up now. If you busy, they run down. All of them they go down.
Talking about running down, Casey, I want to tell you what's in now. I don't know whether I go sweet you or you know go sweet. I don't know I go be, but I know say you the person will get correct heart. Yeah. You know say for this industry.
Yeah.
You as a sedan here, so before now, you now one of the artists where we say they don't insult pass for this industry.
Yes, now. I get a degree now.
You know.
Nah. I get certificate of this. Me.
You know.
Now they don't help me now, train me.
Wow.
I don't get animal skin. Very stubborn.
It gets a kind of way they tell, especially concerning you and Presh. Waiting with the relationship right now between you and Presh.
You know, I don't think say we fight.
Okay.
Because we don't get fight, but the gospel truth. We say all man they on a hustling lane. So no time for distraction. Okay. You understand? Now heavenly race, who will carry first now with it? Now it be the matter. You understand? Everybody they pushing you. Because we did together for like 13 years. You understand?
13
like
years.
13 years. So no be small thing now.
Wow.
So the breakups have never reached 4 years. So the missing never strong. You understand me now?
The breakup never reached the relationship.
It's still fresh.
It's still fresh. Okay.
It's still fresh. So the truth is say now just one journalist write something of recent for paper where trigger some kind talk.
Okay.
Where him can't talk. I see the thing, I read that thing, I read that, but I felt no need to anything what I make, any noise what I do, really they help the thing they fly. I just lock up. But I'm not the person where go talk like that. I don't talk like that. I don't talk this thing for TV and I don't talk for radio and I talk am again. Anybody will get that interview, we say I publish that interview, make him bring the tape where I take talk am. Okay. Play am. Or make him bring where he write am or I write am or something. Make I get proof. Because people just they find selling point. Let me tell you, me don't take for this business.
Correct.
The thing where they attract past na negativity.
Correct.
Everybody go jump on and he go viral, he go trend. 9. If you hear say 180 years old man now, they do birthday, who he help? Who he help? God 9 years. Nice Sabina. But if you hear say 180-year-old man now, they marry 120-year-old girl. Who's the man? He get money. He don't get money.
He get bicep.
You go on know. So you don't enter the job. So now that negativity or that story where they say no regular, now people want hear.
Casey.
Yes.
How you take Jam Harry song?
Harry song now for beer parlor Jam.
Beer parlor. Can you imagine? For beer parlor.
No be joke. Now for OJs. For stadium.
Okay.
You know, now me and my brother go chill out. We say get one band where they play there. We always chill out there. So we can't go there that evening. One boy just come on share the short 6-pack, they sing everywhere, they scatter our money, just they shake for our pocket, we all they spray the boy money. You know, so where would they go? We can't give the boy a card. Say, call me, oh. I think say you get something, oh. You don't tell, this is what they talk, you don't reach all those kind 9, 8 years old.
Wow.
When he come house to come see me, he come be say, we don't go Calabar, go carry one other guy come, which is in Yaya.
Oh, okay.
Because I myself see Yaya for bar self where Yaya they sing.
Are you kidding?
I come movie. Yes, I movie Yaya from Calabar. I say, bro, you get talent. Move go. He say, mom see they no agree. Man, I can't speak to them. I speak to them. I say, not you. I don't need anything. I just this boy may no waste for you. Get talent. Move go Lagos. So now so movie Yaya come Lagos. You know, Yaya begin stay with us. From there, register him for Project Fame. He can't go back to Calabar. Come hustle from Calabar, they come pick and come Lagos, come win.
Wow.
So from there, we come they push and they go. So na be a piloting so. And there we take Jam Mario.
Yeah. I mean, for all my news when I don't hear or even for the Africa way back, I never hear of the connection between you and Yaya coming to Lagos. This one I
first flight when Yaya enter for his life, now me buy him.
First, that first flight is big. Aeroplane.
Balloon. That is that time na Virgin Nigeria.
Whoa.
Now carry and enter from Calabar to Lagos. No be joke. Okada move am from airport reach my house.
Yeah.
No. I go pick him with my car, one of my Camry. Yes. I send one of my guys to go pick him.
From airport.
Yeah. So. It's a small world, you no go know who be who. Even my new boy was signed an ex-buster, and for bar German for 2012.
So all the artists they did there.
They just go back. Nah, but I don't believe in make you call they play CD for me. I want to see you make convince me say bring your man, put my money down.
Okay.
Now so me take Jam Mr. Songo. We're in between, can sign for Question Mark. That time we never did ready to open the label. You know, so he did some years with Question Mark. When we can set up our own label, I can't jam him again. Say, bro, like say if you walk now. He's excited. He say, oh yeah, let's go now.
Presently, he did the peak. Or anything when you don't do for music industry, and we will credit that one to 5-star music.
No, okay. Thank you, do well. Thank you for the credit. I don't go pay you credit.
Okay, so the very strong man behind 5-star music. I get a question for inside Twitter here where somebody don't ask. The person say, who's senior between you and E-Money? Me, I know, but I'm not answering.
The matter people they always ask, but they always want distract. They tell them say we be brothers. Who senior no matter now. She wants and go F. But the truth is say, na the same mama and papa na him give birth to us. So 2 of us na brothers. Be like say I first and come. Okay. Sometimes he go come like say he won't first me come. But the issue be say na me be senior.
Okay. When I been they read something about you. You get one place when you write, one time when you write something about just the 10 you can write, and to my brother and boss. Those 2 lines, I read them, I can't look at me again, brother and boss. Understanding how the whole I call it thing, say, you see the humility within inside that statement, it pass anything at all. Because growing up with some brothers, even when your own brother, you will the ones when you say then they just oppress anyhow. You know, even I used to you see they don't go show say this guy, you get how God will take lift you up, and you get where he will lift you up with. That's just show respect to whom respect is due. But waiting I also get they say E-Money really respect you a lot.
They give me every respect way brother go give, and the friendship with me and I get not be here. The understanding, the love, it is beyond brother and brother love. So people need to understand that. Some of our friends we get brothers and they wonder whether they borrow their own brother or they hire their own brother. Our own understanding is beyond imagination. You don't understand that. So I think it's just divine. So, and again, you said something, the humility inside of me. Now, most people don't know that part of me. You know, they always see me from the social media angle, from the TV. I don't think anything they move me. You know. All those material things, nothing they important for this life to me. Just do it you feel do. You understand? But if I shock many people, even the E-Money way they talk about, now me sponsoring wedding. in first wedding when you do it, now me sponsor. Now me first they make money for my family. Now me move my family. Now me they pay house rent at some point. You know. Now me be the also. Now me bring the light, name, fame to the family.
Wow.
You understand? But most people don't know the genesis, and I don't need to explain to them
at all.
And I know the explanation.
At all.
If you say, why are they call my brother boss? So your brother don't die. Or your brother. Now, so you understand? So I feel everybody should just respect the way life they go. Life not too serious like that.
So coming to this other part of you, see your shame now. See your phone. Even your phone, to look your phone, I don't feel you can direct because the shine with it.
They blink at me.
If
not
not for
that
this,
one phone, I use in case I don't know. When I say I'm on that one follow.
You know,
I like that one.
What the point is, somebody writes for Twitter now say, well done. I love your video steady 100%. Okay, and then I want to where we say I really say now you don't shoot video for different places. You know, from Spain. Yeah. I suspect say you there at Greece or so.
Yeah, go there. You follow me. I don't reach here. Come back.
I suspect.
Go monitor.
Exactly. Now, how expensive this thing they take from one pocket as professional artist? Because no be small thing.
You know be beans now to travel go to side go shoot. I think the money part. Sometimes some of our directors their money when they used to do one video, we used to do 2 videos abroad.
Nah lie.
I mean they tell you.
You mean say some videos, all those videos where they shoot abroad sometimes, yeah?
I don't want call names. Some of the directors.
I don't know, it's okay, it's okay.
If they give you bill, yeah.
No. Okay, more no call names now. Yeah. How much be the highest person we you don't hear from amount to take shoot video? We be say you say if you say
for year?
Yeah, for year.
I don't shoot video 6.5 million.
6 point. Oh my God!
Don't be joke now. I don't shoot video here.
What?
6.5 million. No be joke.
For Nigeria here?
Yeah, I don't shoot one 6.5. I don't shoot one 6 million. I don't shoot 5 million. I don't shoot 4.5 million videos. But the ones where you shoot abroad, if you put the money minus your ticket first, if you put the money together, if you did between 1.5 to 2 million.
Can you imagine?
And the video go sick.
Go still clean.
It go bad. My problem it go be safe.
Wow.
Do you understand?
Wow.
But now who no go, no. Who no sabi, no sabi.
The point we say, KCEE don't move from Ajegule to the world. Maybe just
Thank you, Baba. My permanent site, no they permanent. I can move around the world.
He don't move from Ajegule to the world, and that one no be joke, no be watch self. You understand? I know what's in the talk. So if you get that dream, follow him and follow him where you get something where you just talk in passive now. You know, you just talk and say, I do everything, I write my songs, You know, one popular gist, you know, for all these Bible legends now say, you know, they write. Then they write the song for
they talk because and say Harry they write song for me. I don't hear that. But wait now. When I do Siompo, where Harry day, I don't know. When I do Sengemenge, where Harry day, and Harry write them. When I do Ginger Your Swagger with one official team and Harry write them. When I do Shokori Bobo, all those songs where they wanna dance,
when you do Opekete,
Harry write them. You understand? So why people go to talk? Even Harry himself, when in the studio they write, he know. Me follow they contribute. They say no, this one not go work. Go like this. We they contribute. They himself they contribute.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But people don't understand. Say, me I don't get time for all those things. Like my kind of life. If you like talk that okay, who they make the money? Which person they go bank? Nah me. You did there. They say they right. But that they go bank. You did there, they fling your hand. Keep it up. The Lord is watching you.
Alright, so let us get into the Tinana mood. Whether you like her, whether you write her, whether you don't write her, you know, concern me. Wait till I know say this song, na KCEE song, and it blow enter everywhere as the same way Limpopo takes scatter the whole world. Thank you very much, KCEE. Everybody waiting there. The group to this one. Tinana. Yeah, alright.
I want to stand by somebody. Now, wow.
Yeah.
This one, I talk. We really talk like you talk.
Thank you so much, man.
God bless you.
Yeah, appreciate that.
God bless
well
you.
Done.
You are a good man.
Yeah, we thank God.